welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Seriah Alexus, and today we are doing another hair video. So this video is in collaboration with Amazing Beauty Hair. This is all my own opinion. Why am I out of breath? I'm sitting down. Let's backtrack a little bit to a few weeks ago. So I tried to do this hair video 2 weeks ago, and it was a major fail, major flop. Well, it was my first time using curly clip-ins, and I decided to do it before class. I'm usually late to class without doing nothing, but I decided I wanted to film a whole video before I went to class. Let's roll to those clips. So I'm gonna add product in after I put it in my hair. I don't know if that's smart. Sis, what are you doing? Does it look even? I just realized I didn't leave none of my hair out to blend so that you don't see the clips. That didn't work out. Okay, this is not going well. So one issue that I had when I was trying to do the hair the first time was the color didn't match my hair. So I did this. Although I ordered this in a 1B, I believe, but the hair is it's like a chocolate brown and my hair is like a black type of brown. So what I'm going to be doing today is dyeing the hair before I try to use it again. This is my first time dyeing hair. I'm going all out for this video. So I borrowed some of my mom's hair dye. It's off black. I probably don't need this, to be honest, but I brought it down anyway. So after dyeing it, it obviously matches my hair a whole lot better. This is the hair after it's dyed. It's still holding up, still soft. It didn't dry up after me dyeing it, so that's good. So I ended up getting, it's Afro Kinky Coily 18-inch, and I got it in 1B. If you don't feel like doing your own hair and you still want to look cute, I highly recommend trying natural hair clip-ins. Oh, this is also 100% human hair. If you want to see more information about the hair and you want to see me unbox it, see what comes in the box and ways for you to get the hair, make sure that you stay towards the end. So yeah, let's get into this video. So my hair is all twisted up, as you can see. So 4 sections or 4 twists on each side. The middle part here, instead of me just sectioning it off and placing the knots right in front of each other, so that when I put the hair back, the twists fall in between my part of my twist here. It won't be so bulky here when I put the clips in. I'm gonna show you guys my twist. Your hair doesn't have to be perfectly twisted up. I did 1 braid here. So this is the back. I have 6 braid / twist in my hair. You guys already know my hair is super thick, and I know some of you guys are probably like, why are you even putting extensions in your hair? I know, but I wanted to show you guys that you can use curly hair clip-ins as a protective style. I'm sure you guys already know that, and sometimes I just don't feel like doing my hair, so I try to find protective styles that I can wear. What I'm gonna do is put everything in a bun. So I'm just gonna pin up the twist hanging in the bun. I'm just gonna be tucking hair in. Okay, so that's the flattest we're gonna get it today, but I have faith in you guys and I'm pretty sure that you guys can get it flatter than that. So guys, I'm gonna be using the 2 packs that Amazing Beauty sent me. My head needs 2 packs, so I'm gonna be starting with the 4 clips. I'm gonna start clipping underneath the bun. Came out again. These twists do not want to see me win. I clipped it underneath the bun, so look, when the wind blows, it's not as obvious. I'm going to save the other 4 clip for the front, so just keep that in mind when you're putting these in your hair. When I'm brushing the hair, I am getting a little bit of shedding, but as you can see, it's not that much. Now we're gonna start going on top of my crazy bun that I got going on there. Alright, now I'm starting on the outer side, working my way back in. I am finding it a little bit easier to clip the clip-ins in between the twists. I think, yeah, I'm gonna fill in a little bit in the middle. Okay, I don't know if you could tell, but I do my little pull test, make sure these things are secure. I'm just going through the hair and just applying curling mousse. We still have track showing here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to be using bandana to cover up the tracks. There's another method that you can do where you basically put the clip-ins the opposite way. You would put them this way, and then after it's clipped, you flip it back like that. The only thing I don't like is you can still see the clips here. Obviously, I'm not a master at that method. I'm not a master at any of this, but so if you don't want to do the bandana method, you can always do that. I can link a video down below where they flip the hair back, but today, 1, just for the sake of time, and 2, because I definitely need to practice that more, we're just gonna cover the track with bandana. To take this up a notch, I think I'm just gonna put clips, and can't walk away without doing your edges.
All right, baby.
Yeah, so this is the finished look. I'm really excited to do different hairstyles together here. Why are there children screaming outside? Yeah, so I really love how it came out. It came out much better than before. That was tragic. So stay tuned for 2-week-old me to give you more information on the hair, what it looks like unboxing it, what it comes with the box, and how many clips it comes with. Just keep watching to get more information on the hair and where you can find it. Today I'm going to be working with Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions. When you open the box, it comes in this package. I got the Afro kinky coily 18-inch. The hair that you see here, this was already washed. This is without any product in it. They give you a wide tooth comb and they give you extra clips. They also give you instructions for the hair. It says it's best to wash them as infrequently as possible. It says for daily care to spritz it with leave-in conditioner so that it keeps the hair moisturized. So this is, again, natural hair, so you're dealing with curly hair, and you know we have to keep our hair moisturized. So basically it's just telling you how to care for it so that it lasts longer. I'll have their Instagram link down in the description box, but it says they give away free hair, bonuses, and big discounts every week, so you can go check that out if you want to try their hair. So this is the hair fresh out of the package. It comes with a little net around the hair, so let's take that off. They sent me 2 packs. So the pack that I have here, I already washed it. After you wash it, the hair drops. It's really soft, by the way. The only thing I wish that I got was a longer inches. That's my fault because I picked the inches that I wanted. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It comes tied here. So it comes with 7 clip-ins in total. So you have 1 4-clip, a 3-clip weft. You have another 3-clip weft. So there's 2, and then you have 3 2-clip wefts, and then there's 1 1-clip weft. Thank you again to Amazing Beauty for sending me the hair to try out. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for sticking through the whole video. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.